Alright guys, we're back with another quick video just to show you guys how we're testing this blower motor resistor on this 2008 Ford F150 with the 4.6. We went ahead and checked the AC pressure up front. I got to make sure that we have power and ground coming to the resistor. This right here is the resistor plug. Can't really see it in the video, but that's the resistor plug right now. I have my test light here to a ground that's on the door frame itself, and then I have a lead on a positive lead here on the positive battery. So what I'm gonna do is take the test light off and then connect it to the positive itself to make sure that I got power, and then also make sure I got ground. So this is on the ground, so I know I'm gonna have power, and then I'm gonna put it on the positive, so I know I have a ground. So I'm gonna check that right now to make sure that we can check that we have power and ground coming from the blower motor resistor pigtail harness, which is this right here, to make sure everything's good here. And then we're gonna test power and ground from the switch on the blower motor, and then we're also gonna remove the blower motor here from the actual HVAC box here, and then also test it with the power probe. So I'll show you guys how to do that real quick. Right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cycle the key on real quick. That way, see, all the settings and everything are on. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna test it real quick and get that tested. So get this power. So as you can see, we got power here, and now I'm gonna take the power lead off and I'm gonna connect it to a positive lead here to make sure that we got ground. So there we go, we got ground on this side, which is the outlet plug, and then we got power here. It's not on because we don't have it grounded. You have to have it grounded in order to check the power, and then you have to have a actual reference coming from the battery, from the positive side battery, to check to make sure you have a ground. So we have that connected right now, and as you can see, boom, we have power there. We have a ground, I mean, and then what we're gonna do is ground it to the side of the door. As you can see, we have it right there with the test light grounded there. I'm going to show you guys that it has just in it on the second power. There you go. See? We have power. And then the opposite was we checked for ground. So I know that switch is good. So we have good voltage there. So now we're going to check the blower motor resistor. We already checked the blower motor resistor. We're going to check the blower motor itself to pull the plug out right now. Plug this back in real quick, and then let me go get a flathead to get that done. We're going to take the pigtail off of the blower motor here itself and get that off real quick. That way, they're kind of a pain to get to because they're not the easiest things to get off. I think we're gonna just have to take off the blower motor. I think I'll take off the blower motor to get it off real quick.